In front of me is POCO M4 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select wallpaper. Just agree with all the terms and conditions. And now you can choose the source that you want to pick your wallpaper from. It can be some from your local photos, recently used, pre-installed, live wallpapers, or some of online wallpapers. Here you can also pick the categories. Let me go, for example, with art. And if only you've got the network connection, you will be able to see all of them. Actually, we can pick, for example, this one. Just tap to preview. This is how it will look like on your lock and home screens. And if you'd like to apply it as your wallpaper, just pick apply. And then decide if it's to be on both lock and home screen or just one of them. I'll pick both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screens. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.